know, sometimes when we get reels in, we have multiple versions of the same model, and a couple years apart, it's hard to tell. Here we've got the classic Zebco 202. This one's probably from the 70s, maybe late 60s, I'm guessing, and a essentially modern one. Spin caster, make a great starter reel for anybody, and there's other people would say it just makes a great reel. It doesn't have to be a starter reel. You could fish it for a long time. At least people that have the original 202s would tell you that. And I suspect it will probably hold up longer than the new one. I took it apart, a lot more plastic. I've done service on both, a lot more plastic in the modern one, but both were able to fish, and obviously the brand has carried on. Here we have the Zebco 202. It holds 110 yards of 10-pound line. It's got a full anti-reverse. I've done a complete service on it. It's running beautifully with a matching Zebco 202 rod. Nice beginner setup. Here is another Zebco 202. This is a vintage model. It still runs beautifully. I did a full service on it. The materials inside are all nice, a lot more metal than in some of today's reels. It's got a matching Zebco rod as well. It's ready to go fishing.